to use rice water for hair growth daily. The process of making and using a rice water rinse is simple and can be done in 6 steps. Gather a bowl, organic uncooked rice, and water. You can use any sort of rice, white, brown, jasmine, basmati, etc., as long as it is organic. Rinse the uncooked rice and drain. Then, add the clean rice to a bowl with 1 to 1.5 cups of water. Let it sit for at least an hour, up to 24 hours. Now, strain the rice and save the water. You can actually save the rice for cooking as well. In fact, some studies have shown that eating soaked rice is healthier, reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Wash your hair with shampoo, and rinse is normal. Take the rice water and massage it into your hair and scalp. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes to an hour. Rinse your hair again, and admire. Advocates of using rice water for hair believe it detangles the hair, makes hair smoother, increases shine, makes hair stronger, and helps hair grow long. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.